Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change default browser app in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to apps option. After that go to choose default apps. Then go to browser app and that's it. From here you can change your default browser app. You can see there are two browser apps in my phone. One is Google Chrome and another is Samsung Internet, and you can choose any option as you want. If you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser app, just select it and it's done. Now just go back and that's it. You can see my default browser app has been changed successfully. You can also change your default SMS app or phone app from here. And that is how you can change default browser app in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.